Hi, I'm Joel, introducing BZBGEAR's new presentation switchers, the BG-PSC6X2-4K and the BG-PSC7X2, suited for a variety of applications including conference rooms, houses of worship, educational, and government facilities. Now, when it comes to searching for a presentation switcher, there are many different options out there, each one being unique. However, very few offer support for legacy components. That is why BZBGEAR has created two versions of presentation switchers capable of scaling signals to accommodate different types of AV environments. The BG-PSC6X2-4K is suited for newer applications. It has 6 source inputs and 2 HDMI outputs, offering the latest in connections for media devices, PCs, tablets, Macs, all utilizing USB-C, VGA, DisplayPort, and HDMI 2.2 connections. This unit scales a clean video signal up to 4K 60, 444, signal streaming at 18 gigabits per second with support for HDR10, HLG, and even 3D. For applications requiring HDMI audio to be separated or de-embedded for amplification, this unit provides both RCA analog and digital coax outputs for audio extraction. As a bonus feature, there is also a mic input with 70D phantom power. By offering front panel control along with IR remote, CEC, RS-232, and TCP/IP connections for third-party control, this unit is ready for virtually any professional business environment utilizing today's newer technologies. The BG-PSC7X2 is a 7-source input unit capable of upscaling resolutions from 640 by 480 to 1920 by 1080 at 60 Hz via the 2 mirrored HDMI outputs, injecting new life into analog video signals, and in essence, reviving your old devices. This unit is perfect for environments like public school systems with legacy AV devices such as VCRs, camcorders, or game consoles with older analog connections, VGA, component, RGB, and composite. As well, it will pass 4K at 30 Hz using HDCP 1.4 compliant devices hooked up to a 4K display. Audio options include audio de-embedding using left and right analog or digital coax RCA ports. Now, if you need to insert audio, there is a left and right analog input 3.5mm jack to assist. This unit can be controlled with the included IR remote, front panel, or third-party control systems by utilizing either the RS-232 or IR connections. Compact and easy to set up, feel confident in your presentations and collaborations. Simply connect your devices, plug in the power, and begin presenting. It really is that easy with BZBGEAR's presentation switchers.